Hey guys, it's me Bailey, and today we are making Galactic glitter slime. So what you're going to need is 15 millimeters of clear glue, 20 ounces of water, 20 millimeters of water, 5 millimeters of 5 millimeters of slime activator, which is contact solution, a popsicle stick, a spoon, purple paint, purple glitter, or any paint you want and any glitter you want, and a bowl. So what you're going to do is you are going to add the 15 millimeters of glue to your bowl. That's about the perfect amount. Then you're going to add your 20 millimeters of water and make sure they are room temperature. Then you are going to do 5 millimeters. Oh, no, you're not. Now you're going to add your paint and glitter. So take a teaspoon of colored paint. Take it about this size. I don't. There's not an exact thing, but I want to make mine like light purple or something. So I'm going to use a small spoon about this size, and I'm just going to use a spoonful of, okay, that's probably enough, so I'm going to add it. Okay, sorry guys, we had to pause the video because I made a big mess with this. So then I already added my paint. Now I'm going to add my bag of glitter, and this is dark purple. It's a really dark purple. If you can't tell, it's dark purple. Looking closer probably makes it darker. Spill glitter everywhere. So you're gonna add, I added all my glitter, just kind of want it really sparkly. And now you're going to add your contact solution. Now add this very slow. Because my other one that I just made, turned out too sticky. Because you know what I did? I added it all in at once. So this is really pretty, and it's already turning out. But before I add any more, I'm gonna, yeah, this is turning out really, that's a violet color. That is really pretty. You can actually see it's a violet color, but the sparkle strip took over. It's kind of sticky. Don't go in. Alright, I'm going to add more, even though I said I wasn't going to. That's really sticky, and I want to be able to go in with my hands, so. Oh. Okay. Oh, I'm stirring with the wrong thing. I'm supposed to be stirring with the popsicle stick. Put this down. Popsicle stick time. Because popsicle stick works better. Okay. I'm going to add a little bit more. And I love adding more because it's like a testing and experimenting kind of type of thing. And it's really fun. Ooh, I'm doing better this time. It's not having that much water. It's collecting all the water. Look at that. Oh, that's not sticky. That's like not sticky. But I'm going to add the rest. Thing. All right, so I'm going with my hands now. Okay. That side's right off that thing, but not right off my hands. I know I just said it wasn't sticky, but now it is. Like every time I'm stirring and I say it's not sticky and it's not, then it turns out sticky whenever I start playing with my hands. So I'm just gonna keep you guys on tape, and I'm just gonna go in with my hands and play. Oh, this is... So this is kind of fun to play with. This is actually really fun to play with. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that. It looks like black glitter, but it's not. It's purple. It's actually really pretty. It was a violet color, but then the sparkles took over, so now I feel like I need a little bit more activator, but I don't want to make it too watery. Stir. So I'm going to stir all of my activator in. Yeah, look at this, you guys. As soon as I stir, it's not sticky. But then whenever I get in with my hands, it does stick to me. This is like sticking to the bowl. So I'll see you guys whenever it's the right consistency. So see you guys. Okay, so I've been stirring, and it turned out pretty good. So mine is a stretchy, good poking. That's really good. Okay, I'm gonna take it out and play with it. Oh, I love this. Okay, so let's see the slimes that we made so far in our thing. We've made Party. It's a lot of glitter. I think this one is. We've made Monster. I think we called it Silly Slime. And we've made Glow in the Dark Slime. I just can't touch it right now. That's my Glow in the Dark Slime. But I can't touch it right now because it's getting sticky again. Okay, so now, whenever you've got it to the right consistency, you're going to put it in your bowl / container / whatever you want to call it. And then, if you really need to, you can have an adult help you get this off. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you liked this video. So, bye!